Welcome to another episode. This is part 3 of the Mobius Lost in Space Chariot build that I'm doing for my client Max. So today what we're going to be focusing on is the Canopy and the robot as well. So without further ado, let's dig in. Okay, so you can see here I've built it up the best that I possibly can do. Primer probably will do the rest to fill in some of those gaps, some filler primer. But I think it looks pretty good for a missing piece that they have to rebuild the whole thing over again. Here is a full one, and there's not that much difference. At least it's something, you know what I mean? At least it's something. So okay, that's that. I'm really happy with that. And also I have the little nub here that I put on that kind of like this one, that kind of helps to attach the glue to the surface. And so we got that taken care of, and I'm so glad to have that taken care of because that's a little bit of a time-consuming thing that took a little bit longer, of almost unnecessarily, if I had the part. So that's the way it goes in the modeling field. But anyways, here's the canopy, and as I briefed you before, these are the masks that you use for it. Let's get to it real quick. You got a lot of cleanup to do to get these parts fixed. Okay, I'm going to start with these. And of course you'll need these. I mean, I can't go do anything, any kind of modeling without these. And of course you've got your hobby knife. It gives you a layout of how everything is fixed. The front of the chariot being going this way. So all this is the front. And it's kind of laid out the same way on the sheet. And kind of like this. So yeah. And so here are your doors. I know you probably can't see it right now, but they're cut. Don't worry about that, they're cut. So time to start with a door. And it's cool how he also cut that out for the handles. And so you just find the one that fits the door. And let's see, it looks like it's gonna be that one. That was a little bit rough. But as you can kind of see, there's a little bit of a gap right there. So it looks like what he does is he gives you some extra strips like this to work with. And I'm going to kind of cut this because I don't know how big this is going to be. You're good to go. That one's ready to be painted. Okay, so that's the fourth and last door that I just masked. And here are the other 4. And so now I am ready to do the canopy. I usually like to start with the easy ones first, and then I get into the hard ones. The hard ones meaning these. So let's see, what can I start with? Of course, I will leave these unmasked, of course, so so it can be painted. Okay, let me start with this one. Okay, this thing is ready to be primed. I will tell you, I think I held my breath a few times while doing this, but I mean, it's pretty forgiving stuff. You just kind of, I mean, once it's on, it's pretty well on though, but you know, you can take it off a little bit as long as it's maybe halfway on or something, and readjust if you have to, but I'm telling you, this is good stuff. I would highly recommend using this if you did any kind of, whether lighted or unlighted. I'd recommend this stuff for sure. Well, that's done, and the doors are ready for painting. They're all ready for painting. Okay, so now it's time for the robot. An overview of the robot parts is basically it. And of course the clear parts. And our robot is ready for priming and painting. Okay, I just assembled the front scanner, drilled the holes for the lights on that little console. And now how I do the dome, you can see that little raised area. Just follow that raised area with your masking tape. There. That's ready for painting. A quick overview of the front console. Look at there. Light's gonna be able to go through that nicely. Yep, that's gonna work out fine. Now what I need to do is install this piece. Remember this piece? I took it off last time, but I gotta install it back now. So this is how I will do it. Take a chunk of plastic. This little white thing is going to be cut down some more. I just want a good enough lip to where it will fit under here. And you'll see in just a minute. Okay, got that done. It's just kind of clamped down together. So that's done. Okay, I believe that's going to wrap it up for tonight. Just about everything now is ready for painting. I've assembled everything that pretty much needs to be assembled. This is this build takes a lot of preparation before assembly. Yeah, but I think we're ready for the paint stage now. So soon, stay tuned for that part, and I'll be getting back on the Battlestar Galactica soon. I think the part is supposed to be in sometime, and we'll get started on that soon. So yeah, so everything's coming along. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment. I love to get comments because I love to answer them. And also check out my eBay. I got an eBay store. The link is down below, and if you want to check that out as well. And if you have any questions or want to ask me anything, just feel free to leave a comment. So with that, I guess I will leave you until the next video. So stay safe, take care, and keep modeling.